Hello everyone, and I found a weird Roblox game called Bird. And I don't know, it just appeared in the recommended of what the heck? What is this? What? I'm taking damage. What? No, get me out here. What is this? What? What's this? Okay, that's a quack button. What's this? I'm twerking. And what's this? I squat. Okay. How are you doing? You fell down. Good job. Is this poisonous or something? Oh, what's this button? Oh, what the heck? What? My head's in the ground. Help me. What? What is going on? What? I think I better reset my character because I don't know what's going on. Whoa! Alright, let's take a look around. It looks like a... Whoa, insane speed. Looks like a peculiar planet or something. And... there's someone over here. What's this? Ramen noodles? Don't mind if I eat some. What's the... Why everywhere I tap the duck looks over there? What? What? What just happened? I'm hearing things. What? Why is my character looking up? What the heck? Now I'm green? What is this game? I just decided to film a random Roblox video of a random new game I could try, but I didn't expect some random silliness or whatever. What are you? Ducks. Whoa. Ho! What? Wow! I just went really fast just now. Hello, kind sir. You got a donut there. It looks like, give me the donut. Give me the donut right now. Give me the donut. I want the donut right now. Give me your, yeah. Let me see if I can actually get it. Let me get it. Yes, I got the donut. I got the donut, everyone. A quack to victory. And let's twerk to victory. Oh, yeah. Renegade. Okay, enough of that. I have a floating donut, and it looks like an aimer for a gun or something that you see on planes and stuff. I don't know. There's someone over here. Oh, I thought there was something over here. Oh, start sprinting again. Someone is picking up an ice cream cone. I almost said icon. I don't know why. Like iPhone icon. Oh, I dropped it. Okay. Maybe I finger slipped over there. What is this? Is this a tomato? I think this... Why is it... What? Where am I? Am I in heaven? What's this thing? What's this thing right here? What's this red thing? Should I touch it? I'm gonna touch it. I can't even get up to it. Hold on. I think I figured out how to fly. Can you fly in the game? I'm not sure. Well, beep. Wah! What? I think I saved myself from dying just now. I don't know. I think this is like the epic bird simulator or something. Ooh, I want to pick up a melon. Yes, I picked up a melon. Jumped up. Whoa! What? What? Uh, I have no idea what I'm doing with this. Whoa, I think I figured out how continuing flying. Just bounce on the watermelon and then, I figured out how to fly, everyone. I figured out how to fly. I believe I can fly. Oh my god. This can get me around the map so much faster now, in a funny, glitchy way. I'm just dragging along. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Actually, this is a little helpful. What? Where am I? Am I on Earth anymore? I died. What? I just realized how bad the grammar is on the side thing here, like where the hide show is thing here. What does roll mean? Oh, does roll mean, a friendly bird, and then I think you, like, press this, and then, yeah, it goes away, so I can just have my username there. Okay. What is this hole? Seriously, what is this? There's so many people down here. I wanna grab you. Okay, I grabbed you. Oh, I'm grabbing you. Oh, babe. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Oh, don't you know you'll be mine? And I was like, you'll be mine. And I was like, baby, baby, baby. Oh, just like baby, baby, baby. Oh. How do you get off of this thing? Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, what's going on right now? I don't know. My neck is stricken like... No, not in the lava! Anything but the lava! How did I know that was lava? Oh, no. No! No, 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 no! No! What? No! I don't want the lava! Is that an egg? I think that's an egg. Hey, Redbird! Yes, I can escape. I can escape. I can still escape. Escape. And yeah. And what's that egg thing down there? Oh, well, I died. Good job. Whoa, whoa, what's going on?